Okay.
He's far, man.
What's the wager?
It's the no splash challenge. It's
No
$50.
splash challenge.
Whoever has a small splash wins $50.
Okay. Straight like that.
Bet on me. You think I fuck around with money like that?
You know.
The white man is sly. You gotta understand.
You don't even know. So. First shot, that was right hand. We gonna swap left. We gonna swap left. Back again, young Jimothy, King Jim Bob, King Sosa Joseph. Ooh, that's a new one. I ain't heard that. Live and directing live for you and your eyes. Ooh, rapper shorty. And you already seen me buck the shots. You already know it's good. Anyway, today we're about to get on the road to head to Aibonito, which is about 45 minutes to an hour away. In the mountains, we're gonna hit a waterfall called Charco Chalet, or Chalet in French. I don't even know. We're in a Spanish-speaking country, so it's probably not French, but you know, Jimothy make up his own rules. Anyway, we're about to hit the road. I'm gonna meet up with the crew. We're gonna get live. And as always, first things first, before we get going with this video, make sure to subscribe down here with the button, like, comment, and share, and enjoy the video. Out. Again, we on the way, y'all. We got half the crew here. We got Dr. Dreidel, because he always dripping sauce. You know, get him. And we got Abo Javi.
Abo Javi, A1, bro. A1.
Don't even look sexy,
man.
Don't even look sexy. Looking like Fabio Enrique. Both of them, whoever it is. But we on the way. We're probably about 30-45 minutes away. We missed a turn because of course. Anyway, we on the road. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So it looks like the other half of our group is running a little late, cause you know how people be. They're running a little late. They went the wrong place, so we killing some time. We stopped at the local gas station. It's maybe 2 to 5 minutes from the location. We loading up. We getting some more beer, getting ourselves prepared, you know. All the prerequisites is upon us, and then we're about to head in. I'm gonna show y'all how to get there, because it is a little tricky to arrive. And the other videos I've seen, they're not really telling you how to get into this place. So I'm gonna put you on game. I'm gonna show you how to get in. We're gonna get in where we fit in, and we're gonna walk and talk, and we're gonna show up, and then we're gonna show out. Yeah. To get to this waterfall, you're gonna type in Barrio Cuyon, Aibonito, Puerto Rico into Google Maps. It's gonna lead you to the fork in the road. You're gonna go right. When you go right, you're gonna see a pink house. At that pink house in front of it, you'll also see a little path to the left. That's where you wanna be. You've arrived at your destination. All right, y'all, we've arrived. About to take celebratory shots. We got my man, Isak, because he always got him in the sack. Oh, look at him.
You think it's gonna be clear water? Should I bring?
I think it'll be clear. It look clear.
We'll bring one.
We got Aaron.
What's good?
You already know.
Aaron.
Hey. We got young Mateo, always making them say, hey, yo. Shots.
That's why they call him baby.
All right. Daniel. Easy. Salud. Fucking what? messed up. When you see this rock to the right with the spray paint on it, you need to go left. Don't go straight. We went straight. That's the wrong direction. Boom. Ding, ding, ding. On the right, we have Aaron, con habichuela. Young swag. I got my money on him. 50 bucks on Aaron making the least splash. Splash is the word. Then we got this guy, Dr. Dreidel. He claims to think he's gonna make a less splash than my guy. He claims it. And this guy, he's Hawaiian. He's betting on this guy.
28 years experience.
He's talking that talk. 20 years experience. All right. What do you have to say for yourself?
I said I used to respect Isaac.
But what happened?
He's got good work ethic.
Yeah. He works hard, not smart.
He works hard, but that's what I'm saying right now. He is not working smart. He needs $50. That's what I'm saying.
My guy. I got 50 of my man Aaron.
I don't win the $50. I'm fucking drowning this asshole. I'm fucking drowning.
How are they gonna make this work? Look, if you jump close. Yeah. Look at it. Look at my guy.
Confidence.
Comfort. It's already there. There's no need to puzzle it.
I could teach him, but I'm not out here for charity.
We out here for money.
We out here for
Tell him again real quick because we didn't get it on camera.
I said we ain't out here for charity. I would teach him.
But we ain't gonna do that.
There's $50 on the line.
Hey. Look at them. They nervous. They contemplating architects and engineers. They might even do a prayer. Look at him.
You don't have to think about it. Action.
Look at him. He's nervous. Look at him. He's nervous. First and foremost, shut your mouth. The challenge is... All right. As any good challenge goes, you have to take the last drink of beer first. Oh, we won. All right. Wait and see. Look at him. He's nervous.
Don't fear.
He's nervous.
Pencil. Be a pencil.
That's close. It's close. I'm leaning towards Daniel.
Fucking $50.
Okay. Dime. Well, I guess I owe you, Isaac.
Fucking $50, baby. I'm fucking rich, bitch. I'm rich.
Javi and I are going to do, it's 1/3 those guys, 1/3 we put on the internet, ask them, and Javi and I are tiebreakers.
Oh, we doubling nothing. What's up with it? Shit, I got $100. All right. Who's next? Same people, or we swapping up? I'll go. I'll do better.
That was a pretty small splash.